Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today I'm going to be making wings. Never made them before, so let's see how that goes. I'm going to be using the Frank's Red Hot on it. 10 out of 10 if you've never had this. I had to get it on Amazon because I couldn't find it in the store. But anyways, you can put it on fries, you can put it on chicken, really anything. I like to put it dry on fries, but you can also cook with it, whatever. Anyways, not sponsored, but it's good. I got the ranch. Hopefully this is enough. We'll just have to wait and see. And then I didn't have panko crumbs. Maybe I did. I don't know. Whatever this is. I'm using breadcrumbs to get it to stick on there. So my plan is I'm going to use wings. I've never done it with wings. I've only done it with tenderloins, right? So the plan is to use that. And I'm going to coat them with ranch. Well, I'm going to put ranch on them. And then dip it with the breadcrumbs and mix the breadcrumbs and my Frank's with a little bit of butter. That's the plan. So yeah, stay tuned. This is the chicken that I got, if you're curious. so I maybe burnt a couple of the top pieces, but they don't look that bad. Good morning. I just woke up not that long ago. I just made an appointment because it's time. So Christmas nails it is. Why is my face breaking out? You're not the star of the show. But anyways, so let's wash my face. We're gonna get everything. We're getting everything on here because she just does not look good. Okay. Now. I just got off work, right? We're retrying Wendy's. It's been a minute. Girl, tell me why they have a salted caramel frosty. Yeah, 10 out of 10. We gotta try. So I came here. We're gonna try it again. This time they better be on point, or I'm only coming for frosties. Okay? We got the nugs, we got the fries, and we got the frosty. So they better come in on 10 this time. Alright, let's go get my food. We'll see if I show up to you guys, because I'm starving. Okay? I'm ready to eat. Okay, I decided to bring you guys with me because yeah, y'all deserve to know. So first I'm just getting my little Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. Because hand sanitizer, duh. Yeah, so let's try this. First of all, cute. This is a medium. Still looks kind of small, but you know, it's fine. Okay. Smells nice. Ah! Okay. We're just gonna ignore that. Ew. So not keeping the lid. They did not give me a spoon, so I guess they want me to drink my Frosty. And I don't have any extra spoons right now. Whatever. Let's just hope this works. It tastes like I'm eating a salted caramel candle. Not that I've eaten a candle before, but I would imagine that a salted caramel candle, or like the salted vanilla whatever candles, you know, because it tastes like it's got a little vanilla in it. That is what it tastes like I'm eating. Like, hello. 10 out of 10, okay? Now let's check on these nuggets. See what we're working with today. They gave me like a million napkins. Cool, because the last time they gave me none, so I think they're making up for it. We got the fries, of course, with our little friend, right? And of course we got the nuggets. So, cheers. I'm gonna go eat now because I'm hungry. Why did we get fries with the nuggets? Cute. Okay, new nails. Okay, y'all, I am so sick. It's crazy, but it is Christmas time, so you know what that means. It means Willow needs her Santa pictures, so we're gonna go take those now. So yeah, we're back. We took Santa pictures. Willow did amazing, much better than last year. She wasn't trying to run away from Santa this year, so much better. The lady actually remembered Willow, so that's crazy. But anyways, she was actually saying that she did much better than last year, so that's kind of embarrassing. But anyways, good job, Willow. I'll insert those pictures for y'all. Now I'm gonna go home and rest and try and get unsick, because this is not a good look, okay? Bye.